We are going to make radish cake today. Some people also call it turnip cake or lopakko. This is 130 grams of rice flour with 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch. This is 2 tablespoons of chopped dried shrimps, 4 sliced mushroom, and the soaking liquid from dried shrimps and mushroom. This is 600 grams of shredded radish. As we do not like strong radish flavor, we have squeezed out the excess water from the shredded radish. This is 1 sausage, soaked in room temperature water for 1 hour. Remove the skin. And cut it into thin strips. We start by cooking the radish with the soaking liquid from dried shrimps and mushroom. Cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. The radish is soft and transparent after 10 minutes. Remove the radish and press out the excess water. Transfer the remaining liquid into a cup. If it is less than 1 cup, top it up to 1 cup with tap water. Fry the dried shrimps for 1 minute. This is a very important step. We have to make sure that everything is fried until fragrant. Add the sausage. Fry for about 3 minutes until bubbles are appearing. Add the mushroom and fry it for another minute or so until the mushroom is brown on the edges. Add the cooked radish. Mix and set it aside. When the liquid from cooking the radish is cooled, mix it into a bowl of rice and tapioca flour to form a smooth batter. Add the batter into the wok. Cook using medium to low heat. The batter will become sticky very quickly. Oops, we forgot to add seasoning into the batter just now. We do not need salt and sugar, as the flavor from the dried shrimps and sausage is good enough. I have added some white pepper here. Brush a baking dish with some oil and transfer the batter into it. Cover with aluminum foil and steam for 1 hour. The radish cake is cooked after 1 hour. As freshly steamed cake is still very soft, we have to let it cool down and keep it in the fridge overnight to firm up. Although the radish cake is good on its own, we like to pan fry them in a non-stick pan until we get a golden and crispy crust. We will serve this with some Thai chili sauce. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.